Hello there everyone, today we're going to take a look at our new Zoom website theme. Some features from the new Zoom theme include round edges for photos, buttons, and pretty much anything on the site. We have bold, big images throughout the site, and we also have clean and modern white space, right? So it's a very polished look without too much clutter. We're going to take a look at that. And here's a website that was built using the new Zoom theme. As we can see, we have the rounded edges, we have a nice dark background chosen by the client. Her brand colors are gray and the red we can see here as well. As we can see, the search bar is also around the edges, and we can take a look right at the seamlessly integrated colors over here. When we scroll down, we will see some information about the client. Remember, this is your website, and if you want to edit this section or remove this section, you're welcome to do so. Then we have the eye-catching featured properties, right? So this is the Realty Candy widget that is displaying the properties, the featured listings for this client. When we click on view all results, we will be taken to all the results where we can see all the different properties. Okay, and just to keep looking at the theme right here on the home page, we have the properties. We have this nice section here. Remember, if you decide to make this website with us, this is just like the layout, the theme, right? But you can add more sections, you can change the text here, change the photos and everything else. Here we have the areas in which the website built. We can build up to 5 areas. But remember, you will have access to all our apps here at idxaddons.com. And for example, you can use the one that's called one-click community, which allows you to create a community page with just one click using ChatGPT. All right. And so, for example, that widget that she's using is called community areas, right? And so with the community areas, we created this widget right here, which you're welcome to access and edit at any time. All right. So our theme comes with a buyers, a sellers, and an about page. And then everything else is an IDX broker page. Take a look at the buyers page, which includes a mortgage calculator. And when we go to the sellers page, same thing, some information that is, again, customizable. This is a website that you will own, that you will have full ownership and access to edit. This is the sellers page. And in this case, this is a Canadian site, and we therefore are not able to put in the home valuation. Our home valuation widget only supports US addresses, but I'm going to show you that here in case you're in the US. So for example, Real Estate Society of Florida. If I go to the sellers page, we can see the home valuation widget right here, right? So if you're in the US and you decide to go with the Zoom, for example, we will include the home valuation widget for you right here. All right, and then we have the about page, which includes your headshot and the information about you. There's also a contact page. This is an IDX broker page, which we will also put in there for you. You can always take a look at our demo or live demo sites. Here, when you go to our homepage, I want a new website with IDX. Here is the full scope of the service, what is included, what is not included, etc. And here you can take a look at the live demos. So the one that we're reviewing right now is the Zoom, and you can see the live demo here. We can also make this for a team, right? For example, in the live example that I was using here, this is not a team, therefore we don't have that agent showcase right here. But this is a demo that is showing how it would look if you were a team. You would also get a roster page and 5 areas, as I mentioned. This is a really nice theme. If you're looking for something that's clean, modern, and polished, this is a very good option. And just now to discuss costs, remember, for any service really with Realty Candy, you need an IDX broker account. Okay, so just to discuss the costs, there are 2 costs involved for this website setup. All right, the first one is the monthly fee, which is for the IDX broker account, which is $60 or $99 per month, depending on the plan. You can compare that on the Realty Candy site as well. And then we have the one-time fee, which is $199 for the Zoom layout that I was showcasing earlier. And then there is an optional hosting. So this website that we're discussing, it is built in a Go HighLevel platform, all right? If you do not want to use HighLevel, we can also still create the website for you, and we would just charge a hosting fee of just $99 per year, right? So again, this is a great value website. You're getting a completely new website that you have full access to edit, to add more pages, blogs, testimonials, financing, anything else you want. And the Go High Level website editor is very user friendly. So even if you're not an experienced designer, you'll be able to add elements and, edit sections as you like. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you're ready to get started. We would be very happy to assist you and to build a website that you love. Thank you.